Firstly, wish you all a very happy new year. I hope all of you had a great Diwali. Everyone likes new beginnings to start a new chapter in their lives. But it is also true of the typical human tendency to procrastinate on an action plan and look for special occasions like New Year to make new resolutions. I'm sure one of them would be to exercise regularly, as you must have indulged in sweets and oily stuff in the festive season. Some of you might be feeling a bit guilty while going overboard in spending this Diwali. So now is the time for you to start on a clean slate for your personal finances. As I said, we are big on resolutions, so here I am suggesting some resolutions to follow post Diwali. Resolution 1. I will save and invest at least 25% of my savings per month. The key to accumulating wealth starts with saving and investing regularly. The power of compounding will take care of the rest. The best part is you can do it with least effort and time thanks to automation. You can link your investments to your bank account, and this requires only one-time effort. Be it recurring deposits, mutual fund SIPs, flexi fixed deposits, postal savings schemes, you can invest on a monthly basis. Automation will enable the money to be debited from your account at the beginning of the month. Your income will thus be invested first before you getting spent and instill the necessary discipline. You will be amazed to see how much you have accumulated over the next few Diwalis. Resolution number 2. I will be financially prepared for emergencies. Review your health cover, life cover and contingency funds. With each passing year, our financial situations change and our financial responsibilities grow. For instance, you might have got married this Diwali, or welcoming a new baby in the family, or borrowed a home loan for new property. Also, there could have been serious health issues in the family during the year. Buying insurance is thus not a one-time process and needs to be reviewed. You can consult an expert financial advisor who would guide you on how much life and health insurance you need to upgrade. Further, contingency fund also needs to be checked to prepare for medical situations, job loss, etc. I'm hoping you were not tempted to touch your contingency fund this Diwali. Contingency fund should not be a mental number lying just idle in your saving account. Then there is a chance that you may spend from it for your regular expenses. You need to keep it separate either in another savings account or better as a separate fixed deposit. Resolution number 3. I will have a debt repayment plan in place. The day you become debt free, just imagine the cash flow you will have to yourself and what you can do with it. You can use it to invest, travel, buy a new asset, start a new business, etc. Resolve to repay your loan as soon as possible. Keep target to repay a certain loan amount from your savings. It is a significant financial move and the one where eventually you will feel more in control of your finances. I hope this video motivates you to take action and streamline at least the basic aspects of your personal financial life. You will be amazed to see the results by next Diwali or the Diwalis after that. Resolve to invest regularly, turn debt free and be financially prepared. Good luck. I'm Yogin Sabnis. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.